Hello students, now we will start simple interest. It means we have to solve some problems regarding to simple interest. If a principal rate and time are given and we have to calculate simple interest and amount. See, at first, if a principal is given 1200, rate 12% per annum, and time is given 3 years. So we have to calculate simple interest. Simple interest equal to P into R into T by 100, where P is principal, R is rate and T time. Now here P equal to 1200, R 12, T 3 by 100. Here 00 to 00 cancel. 12 into 12, 144 into 3. So 3 4 ja 12, 2 in and 1, 3 4 ja 12, 1 13, 3 1, 3 1 ja 3 1 4. It means simple interest will be 432. Now if we have to find amount at last 3 years, it will be P plus SI. Here P equal to 1200 and plus SI 432. The sum will be 1632 rupees. Now see second example. If P is given rupees 7500 and rate is given 5% per annum and time is given 3 years. If we have to find simple interest and amount, here simple interest P into R into T by 100. It means principal into rate into time by 100. So here principal is given 7500, R rate is 5 and T time is 3 by 100. Here 00 to 00 cancel. Now 75 into 3 5 are 50. Now we have to multiply 15 5 are 105, 5 in and 10 or 15 7 are 100. 15 5 are 75, 5 in and 7 and 15 7 are 105 and 7 112. It means simple interest is rupees 1125 rupees. And so amount is principal plus CI. It means 7500 plus CI 1125. Sum will be 8625 rupees. It means amount at last 3 years will be 8625 rupees. Now see, if a simple interest principal and time are given and we have to calculate the rate, it means the question may be at what rate we get a simple interest of rupee 280 of the amount of the principal 5600 in 2 years. It means simple interest SI is given rupee 280 and principal is given rupees 5600 and time is given 2 years, and we have to find a rate. So we should know that rate equal to simple interest into 100 by principal into time. So here simple interest is given 280 into 100 by principal is 5600 and the rate 80. Now 00 to 00 cancel and here 2 से कैंसिल करा ले, 2 1 जा 2 4 जा 8 at 0. It means 140 by 56. So R equal to 28 2 jar and 28 5 jar. 5 by 2 it means 2.5% per annum. So rate will be 2.5% per annum. Now if SI is given rupee 45, time is given 1 year and the rate is given 9% per annum, and we have to find principal. Any simple interest, time and the rate are given and we have to find principal. So principal will be simple interest into 100 by rate into time. So principal will be SI 45 into 100 by rate is 9 and time is 1. Here 9 1 jar and 9 5 jar. So P any principal equal to rupees 5 into 100 500. It is answer. Again see the next example. If a simple interest rate and time simple interest rate and principal is given and we have to find T. See SI is given rupees 270, rate is given 5% per annum and principal is given rupees 1800 and we have to calculate time. So time equal to simple interest into 100 by principal into rate. So simple interest is 270 into 100 by P 1800 into R is given 5. Here 00 to 00 cancel and here 270 by 18 5 are 90, 0 to 0 cancel. So T equal to 9 3 are 27. So time will be 3 years. Similarly, see one question more. If the question is given as at what rate rupee 1200 will be rupee 1800 in 2 years. The question is at what rate rupee 1200 will be rupee 1800 in 2 years. It means principal is given rupee 1200. and amount is given 1800 within 2 years. It means time is 2 years. So, and here we have to calculate rate. Here rate equal to simple interest into 100 by principal into time. Now we should know already given that principal is 1200 and amount is 1800. So here SI yani simple interest equal to A minus P. Here A is 1800, P is 1200, so it is rupees 600. It means simple interest is 600. Now put the value here. Simple interest is 600 into time. Principal is given 1200 and time is given 2. Now here 00 to 00 cancel and 12 1 jar or 12 5 jar 60 and 0. So R equal to 50 by 2, it is 25% per annum. Now it is clear with given some problems, some examples, and now you can solve various types of questions on the basis of these given examples and solutions. So try to do some more questions also. I will submit some next problems in next videos. Okay, thanks.